Hello kids, welcome to Kids Education with Fun. In today's video we are going to make a very beautiful house using different colors. So the colors we have is orange color, light green color and pink color. We have some other colors as well, that is red color, sky blue color, that is light blue, dark green color and yellow color. So keeping all the colors on the side, let's take the toy car away. Now we will draw a house. A very easy house, so you can also draw. And now the upper part, so to draw it you have to just extend the lines. Now we have to draw a door. A door, and now another circle here, now another circle here and one triangle here. That will be a chimney for smoke. Now we will draw a tree here. So you can do like that. We are going to draw a very beautiful tree here. The house. So which color is this? Red color. Dear kids, always color in one direction, so it will give a very good effect. Hope you know that. Coloring in one direction. So this is a red color. To the walls of the house we are coloring blue. This is blue color, dark blue color. Uniformly we will start the color in one direction. If you put more water in your poster color, so it will be difficult to control. So for this purpose you have to put very equal amount of water, so the parents can guide their kids in this regard. Wow, we are coloring the walls with dark blue color. As in the video you can see the colors are a bit much thinner because a little bit more water has been added in the poster color. So for this purpose, if you have such situations, so you can make it smooth by drying your brush with some paper. And this is pink color, the circle, and now the triangle, it will be we will give some another color. Yes, this is light green color. So using light green color we are coloring the chimney of this house, from where the smoke will get into the atmosphere, into the air out of the house. And the color of the triangle is Guess which color? Yes, that is orange color. No, the orange color is the color of the door, so the triangle color is still in the guess. So the orange color door is looking so nice. It looks good. Now the triangle color is yellow. We are coloring yellow to the triangle. To uniform it, dear kids, you can use a small brush. And now we are coloring the tree, zooming into the picture, you can say, or to our canvas. Like this, you can see, you can equally color. This is a dark green color. This is a small tree with 3 main branches, and the color looks like it has little bit more water, so you have to be careful about this. But it is a bit easier to draw when there is little bit more water in your poster colors. To uniform it, you have to just use another brush which is a bit drier. The lower portion we will color it green, but later on we will make it brown. So the trunk should be in the brown color. You can use brown color instead of this green color because the tree trunk is always brown, so we just use another brown color, but it's not looking so good. Later on we will make it okay. And now the sun color is yellow. That's yellow color. We will give it some orange color look from the sides. So beautiful sun. And the sky color is also sky light blue color. That is another one. We are using it right now. So we will color the sky with the sky blue color. That is a very light color blue, or light blue color you can say. So I am just quickly moving on. Hope you are also doing practice. If you don't have colors, you can use pencil and any paper, so you will get some idea, and once you have, then you start your regular work. So you can see the transition, the difference between the dark blue and the light blue color, and we are just blending it equally. So you can do that. Now moving on, we will cover the whole area with this color because it is actually the sky. We are standing in the front of the house, and we will also make some rays of the sun later on once we complete this color. Yes, you have to use small brushes where you are working with the sides of the house, like this one here. In case you are using another brush, it will get a bit problematic. And now I have just moved on, skipping some part of the video. You can see we have just colored the whole area with sky blue, but there is still not its uniformity, so you have to make it uniform. Later on, when you complete with your works, you have to use a dry brush where you can uniformly make the color that looks equally in one direction. So for this purpose, you have to use a dry brush, but be careful about the other objects like the sun or other thing if you are mistakenly moving it. Now here we are just moving it very close to the house, but it is looking a shadow of the house, you can see. And now this part, so we have just covered the whole of our sky with light blue color. Dear kids, I hope you will also draw like this. And now just this is a paper where a painting is done. So it's a sketchbook paper that is from the brain cans, and if you want to buy the same for yourself. So this is the orange color. Again, we have to make the rays of the sun with some green color and with yellow color, not with green, but actually it is green because when the yellow color mixes with the sky blue color, so it turns green. So you may observe this, but we expect it is just considering it a light rays of yellow color. Wow, our son is laughing and so happy. Now we have just done complete the main part of the work is just done. Dear kids, we will also draw a brown color path which will be a road to the house, and we will also make some small branches, some small plants that is growing around the house. Now we are using another color, but you will note it quickly. Brown color. Yes, the path should be brown, and now the trunk of the tree should also be make brown like this one, but once we are done with this, that's looking awesome. Cover the whole area with brown color, and later on you will blend it, mixing it uniformly like this. You can also repeat the same, so this will make it look good. If you are a beginner, you can do this, follow all the steps, so you will reach to a very good design in the end. Now we are just changing the color. That was a bit light color. Now we are using another green color. The first one was dark green, and this is actually light green color, but a second layer of the color or the first one will make it a bit look good. And you can use any color. If you want to use one color, you can. We are just highlighting the colors, and again we will also use the brown color to make the trunk of a tree look good. That's good looking now, you can see. Finally we will make some we say seasonal flowers around the house, so green color, you can do that. Yes, there's 3 lines all the time, so using brush, little skills are needed, or even no skills. I hope you will also draw like this or more better than this even. So we are growing some plants around the house, and these are flowers and they are spring, so I mean that the spring season they will flower. Now it's done. Using flowers, dots of red color, looking red flowers. Look, it's so nice. So our work is about complete. Hope you will like the video and this painting. So if you like it, subscribe our channel for more videos. And if you are my subscriber, so thank you very much for joining us. We will come up with some good work. Thanks for watching.